Let's make some yogurt today. It's easy with Instant Pot. Pour the milk in. I use 1/2 gallon. Whole milk works best for a creamy texture. Add the active culture starter yogurt. Sugar is optional. Mix thoroughly. Put the container back in the Instant Pot. Secure the lid on top. Press the yogurt button. 8 hours later, it's done. It looks so good. I love the creamy texture. Put the yogurt into containers and chill in the fridge to enjoy later. Can't wait to eat it tomorrow. Hope you like the recipe. Thanks for watching.